Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-Trent. Today we're going to do a simple floral design with some wording, and this will be for autumn. I've got my Arches cold press 100% cotton paper. I bought the 10 by 14 pad. I folded it in half and just put the 7 by 10 down, and I used washi tape, and I used it like, you know, two pieces here and two pieces here, spaced it out a good amount in between. And what we're going to do is we're going to paint in between these, and we're going to pull up the tape and we're going to write in between where the tape was. So let's get started. I also have my paints here. I have mixed some greens, some reds, some yellows, some oranges, and various brushes. I'm going to start by using my Elite Princeton brush, number 8 round. I'm going to start by making some leaves. I have a painting tutorial on leaves, and we're just going to randomly put some leaves all around, coming out from the washi tape. Here you can make them in different layers. As you see here, the lightest layer with the most water on the brush, so it's very light. Rather than bore you with how tedious this gets, I will time-lapse the sequence of all these leaves. Now that those leaves are done, we're going to build upon it with some other darker green leaves, as well as some colored leaves. I just place them in random spots. You can do some brown. I have some burnt umber. I'm adding a little Payne's gray too. Basically, you're just building layers upon layers. Here you could add some branches with some berries on it if you want, some red berries. Cranberries. This brush is being difficult. some orange leaves. Give it the autumn look that we're looking for. That's not dark enough. You can make it more opaque. Deep reds, reddish oranges. Here we're still doing leaves. Very simple. Again, I'm going to build upon the leaves with the time lapse. Once you have finished all your painting and it's dry, you pull up the washi tape to reveal the the empty lines, as you see here. And then you can write whatever saying you want in here. I think I'm going to pencil in and I'm going to use a Faber-Castell Pitt artist pen to write what I want to say. And you can tweak that. I am not the best calligrapher, but I try and dabble in it. Maybe it doesn't have to be calligraphy, it could be any type of lettering you choose. And there you have it. A simple, pretty fall home decor piece. Or if you scan it in, you can make cards out of it. Whatever you choose to do with it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for stopping by, and please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much.